nice shot. Here we go. What you doing, collie sisters? Got my fuzzy boots on. We keep trying to eat my fuzzy boots. You keep trying to eat my robe. Keep trying to eat each other. Hey, fuzzy collie girls. Hey, fuzzy collie girls. Hey, fuzzy collie sisters. Oh, no. Not again. Hi, Madge. Ooh. What's that? What's that, fuzzy sisters? That's the kitty. Say hi, Maggie. Are you growling at the kitty? You don't growl at the kitty.
Growling at the smell pretty.
Well, right now we're looking at Madge.
One of the puppies is actually growling at her?
Mabe, you kind of gonna play with me, growl. I get, not sure what to do, growl. A little bit of a grr, like your.
Warning.
I don't know. It's kind of like her engine rev.
Yeah.
She's looking for Madge. She's not afraid or anything. She's looking for Madge.
Figure out what she is.
Yeah, you've never seen kitties. Want to scamper some more? Let's scamper some more, huh? Here comes Tater. Oh, no. Don't you get. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. No more scampers. No.
It doesn't look like rubber there, babe.
Yeah, I know. Right now we're playing scamper. Oh! Oh no! Ah! Oh no! I don't want to squat down to pet them because I've got my robe on and they're grabbing the sleeves. And I've got my fuzzy boots on and they're grabbing the boots. Puppy! I can't get away. Everywhere I go, I got puppies. Oh no, they're all come in. Everybody but Blarney. Where'd Blarney go? Oh my gosh, it's like a puppy party. Get your brother. I really don't want you chewing on my shoe, honey. I really don't want you to chew on my shoe. Oh no, don't you follow me. Get your brother. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh, puppy attack! Puppy attack! Puppy attack! Puppy! No, puppies! Oh, puppies! Oh, puppies! Oh, puppy attack! Hi, Mama! Oh gosh, guys, not funny. No. Not funny. Oh, no, let go. Guys, come on, I like these pants. No, guys, stop it. All right, let go. All right, I think I do need help now. No, I need somebody but somebody's got to like physically get up and remove the puppies from my. Thank you for.
Hey kids! Hey you guys!
They were just born this year. They're not going to get the electric company. Or maybe if somebody holds the camera. Is it still recording? Yeah. Okay. Hey you guys! camera away.
Blarney's getting Finn. Get
I
her, Blarney. Get her.
want these
Get her,
birds to
Blarney.
last another cold season, guys.
And now Flip's getting
I
her.
want these birds to last another winter.
Hey, you guys, your mom's right there.
I like this brown puppy. I don't want to have to replicate puppies. No. No. All right, seriously. No, puppy.
Oh, Finn's getting Blarney now. Now Finn's getting Gidget. Now Blarney and Finn are getting Gidget. Poor Gidget. Gidget's in trouble. Gidget's in trouble. Getting Gidget. Get him, Gidget. Oh good, while you guys are sidetracked, I'm going to put the camera away. Could keep him busy there, Flip. Keep him busy, Flip.